Ang dulas mo ng damit. Okay, here's more of my music. And this is all for you. Yes. First time I met someone like you, I can't forget the moment with you. Then I realized love's growing deep inside. I feel the beating of my heart. 'Cause every day, every night, I keep looking up the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms and love will never end. Keep it all together, always and forever. Every day, every night, I keep looking up the skies, and I pray that someday you'll wake up in my arms. 'Cause every day, every night, I keep looking up the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms. Love will never end. Keep on together, always and forever. Call my name and I'll be there. Tagal ko nang hintay, ilang taon na ang lumipas. Bigla na lang dumating, hindi ko akalain. Bakit ganito? Ako'y nandito. Remember those times we had, the girl that happy and sad. I never thought we'd turn around, but things were simple and now. I guess we got away. There was someone else we got to turn to. 'Cause I don't need you any longer, 'cause I'm stronger. No more, it's time for you to be alone. Time now, get out. No need for us to figure it out. Let go, move on. It's time to go. It's a little ways and now. we used to have. I'm moving on, but you keep coming back, it's too late. It's time for you to be alone. Time now, get out. No need for us to figure it out. Come on, it's time to go. Something that we sana pwedeng makapture lahat ng feelings, no? Kasi yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, gusto kong balik-balikan para lalo akong ma-inspire na gumawa pa ng music para sa inyong lahat. Lalo-lalo na sa mga tumulong to make this concert possible. Thank you so much. Sander Angeles and Edge of Light Studio for the poster pictorial, and thank you so much for sending me the awesome photos. Yun, sobrang galing po niya. And Precious Medina, dun sa makeup ko dun sa pictorial. Thank you. Mr. Jing Monis of Jing Monis Salon. Thank you so much for my wonderful hair. And I'm wearing it very proud.
Parang pinipit yata bahapon na po.
Miss Zeng Zulueta, thank you. And for my outfits tonight, Francis Libiran, thank you. Nat Manilag, Kim Gan, Daryl Maat, Folded and Hung, thank you. M. Boneto, and Mr. John Herrera. Thank you also to my sponsors, Beverly Hills 6750, Get Lod, Black Beauty, and Farex. And for the technical support, thanks to Videosonic, 4SC, Inc. sa aking mga minamahal na fans, thank you. Sa mga tumulong, Julielmo Globis, USA, sa USA, Ate Mary Nitzar, thank you sa, Okay, sa UK naman, Carmen Ilaw, for one East Avenue, Eastwood Condo, sa Julie United, official Julian's core group. Ayan, sila Ate Faye, Ate Migs, thank you sa lahat. And salamat din sa mga members ng press na nagpunta ngayon. Thank you po. My concert producer, Miss Nida Santos, thank you for believing in me. Sa production team, ang ating writer, Miss Mike Rivera. The VTR team with Arnold Mendoza, stylist, Veron Gonzalez, set designer, Paul Infante, lights designer, Melvin Manuel, the music team and the head of music, Ate Georgie Sibal, thank you. And my guests for tonight, Abra and Joseph. Ayun si Maki, oh. Francesca Farr. Elmo Magalona. And Adlem. Thank you po. Post talaga. Of course, the opera, Sushi Reyes, Cecil Rojas, and Manolo. Okay. Sa ating banda, sa drums, Nino Regalado. Thank you. Bass, Soft Nina. Guitar, Noel Mendez. Keyboard, Nico Rivera. And of course, my musical director, Mr. Mark Lopez. And palakpakan po natin sila lahat. At hindi mawawala, our beloved director. Thank you, Direk Nico Gutierrez. Thank you so much for believing in my capacities. Thank you po. At para sa mga susunod ko ng mga kanta, gusto kong maging bahagi kayo ng music video na to. So yung may mga fan cams, fancams dyan, please send your videos to julianneitsmytime@gmail.com at bubuuin natin ang music video na to using your shots. Ayun, so ipapalabas ng lahat sa SNBO. Ayun lahat ng mga videos nyo. Pero hindi pa man nabubuo ang music video na to, nagpapasalamat na po ko sa inyo. So, thank you in advance for everything.